Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open the Street View app while signed into your Google account. Tap the camera icon to add photos, choose a 360 degrees capture, or import a compatible JPG/PNG. Once done, review each image's orientation and GPS tag. This matters for alignment. Make sure location services and Wi-Fi are enabled so the app can auto-place your panorama. If you shot multiple 360s, label them logically now to streamline the next steps. Now refine and position. Tap an image to open editing tools, straighten the horizon and crop any unwanted edges so viewers won't be disoriented. Next, select Place on Map and drag the marker to the exact street spot or accept GPS if accurate. Precise placement improves search relevance. Once images are positioned, connect nearby panoramas by linking them in sequence so people can navigate smoothly. Make sure captions and category tags are useful for discoverability. Finish by hitting publish and watch the upload progress. Do not close the app until it confirms completion. After upload, Google may take time to process. Check the photo's status in your contributions. If the upload fails, reconnect to stable Wi-Fi, reduce file size or re-export the image, and retry. Sometimes restarting the app resolves transient issues. Finally, verify your panorama on Google Maps, and if placement or stitching looks off, use the edit tools or report the problem for reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.